Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to redeem a code for PlayStation Plus or the store on your phone. So what you want to do is when you're on the PlayStation app right here, go on over to the store. Click this middle icon, go to the top right, click the three little lines. Now when you're under here, it's going to give you an option specifically to redeem a code. Click this right here and then type in your voucher code for PlayStation Plus or any kind of money that you have. So once you do that, it should work. You can just enter it in. So it says redeem your code right here. You got a 12-character voucher code. Type that in, and then it should be added to your account. Now if you go back and then go back up here, and then you go to where it says transaction history, you can see that it's added. You can go to where it says payment methods, subscription management. So if you go to subscription management, you should be able to see your PlayStation Plus subscription, but very easy to do. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave a big thumbs up.